Hello friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very special and very amazing course and it's a course of Leches cake. So this course is available in both Hindi and English languages. We have more than 240 plus online courses and for joining our course please contact on below number. So let's see what are the cakes you are going to learn in this course. So this is chocolate tres leches cake. And this class is one of my favorite class. Then this is red velvet tres leches cake. These cake are very soft and juicy, okay, and its taste is totally different from the regular icing cake. This is Biscoff tres leches cake. So in this class, first I will teach you the sponges, then decoration part and juices, everything you are going to learn in this class. This is Pista tres leches cake. In this class, I will teach you the traditional way of making the tres leches cake and then even I will teach you a single serve recipe. If you want to just make a single serve recipe, I am going to give that recipe also. Okay. So this is roast tres leches cake. We have 70 plus baking courses, but in total we have 240 plus online courses. And after joining our any course, you get trained in that course and you can start business from home. This is coconut tres leches cake. We have more than lakhs of students from India and all over the world who have taken our courses, and after joining our courses they have started their business from home. They have started restaurant, they have started cloud kitchen, even they have started their own bakery, small bakeries, then cafe, etc, etc. Okay, so if you are thinking to joining our course, so first collect the menu card from our team and then decide which course you want to join because we have variety of courses. This is Rasmalai tres leches cake. So let's see who will be the lucky winners. So when you join our online class, you will get recipe PDF video for lifetime access. Then you will get certificate, and if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all doubts. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Pooja Gaur and second Sandhya Paul. Congratulations both lucky winner. You can claim your free online class by contacting on below number. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe our channel.